Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today it's just giveaway. So I am going to announce the winner of I Want to Giveaway and So Can You. And I won the giveaway with Stephanie from Opinionated Horsewoman. So that winner will be somewhere in this video. And she did qualify because she was subscribed to both my channel and Stephanie's channel. So look for her name there. And then I won another giveaway from Clara from Beauty is Ageless 55. Is that how you pronounce it? I just can't keep up. Beauty is Ageless 55. And she has a wonderful, wonderful channel. She's actually around my age. So we do have that bond together, and her and Rena from Boxes and Deals had done this small businesswoman collab. I think there was 10 of them in total, and they picked all small businesswomen boxes. And each of those channels, I think, might have had their own little giveaway. But then I think there was 2 big winners, and then small businesses also picked winners. And so I think there was 10 winners total, and I won Clara's, and she had the best giveaway. So I'm gonna go over her giveaway, and then I am going to do a giveaway because I won her giveaway. Does that make sense? So let's get into Clara's giveaway. So she sent me a big box, and in order to win my giveaway, you have to be subscribed, of course, to my channel and to Clara's channel. So I'm gonna leave her link below with the actual video that she did for her small business. Here is a card. And it says, thank you. Hi, Robin. I hope that you enjoy your goodies. Thank you for your support. Hugs, Clara. And I'm still having my eye issues. I'm not getting my surgery for a couple months, so there's no makeup, and I'm still having the effects of that. So I apologize if I'm in the camera. So she wrapped it very nice, and in her box, she put items from the businesses that were in this collab. So I think I got a little bit of everything. And here's this, and there was jewelry, there was candles, there was all sorts of everything. And the first thing is jewelry. And this is from, is it Teresa's Jewelry Company? And there is a website, and oh my God, look at these beautiful earrings. Now, those are beautiful. I'm not a big gold wearer, I'm more of a silver wearer, but I do have a mother that just absolutely loves gold. So, and they're very light. And then the next pair are silver, and they're very light. So I am gonna try wearing these. They're like a heart-shaped earring. See if I can hold them. Now those are gorgeous. So I can definitely try these on. So I'm excited. And so there's nothing in that tissue paper. Oh, and then we got some Wicks Whack candles, hand poured in Michigan, and they're buttered popcorn. And it does taste like, smell like buttered popcorn. And the funny thing is, I signed up for this subscription off of Rena's channel like over a month ago. So I have that unboxing to do as well. Oh my God, it does smell. It smells like the butter on the buttered popcorn. And that So how you all doing? It is like 80 something degrees here, and they are having the Country Thunder where they're having Blake Shelton and all these big bands like literally right across the street. So we are leaving tomorrow morning to go. It's on the other side of Arizona from us. It's about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, because you won't even be able to get out of where we live. So we're going on the other side and spending like 4 days at some friend's house, and she has a pool. So I'm so excited. And then the next thing is, for today I am calm, and it's a 4-ounce lavender candle. Oh, it's got some lavender in there. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Such an exciting box. Oh, and there's some, God, I wish I can read. It looks like a body lotion and bombshell, and it's all wrapped up, so I'm not gonna open it. And I will probably bring this on my little mini vacay. And then we have another little jar of something. Oops, sorry for the pops. So we're going to stay at our friend's house with the pool, and she's got like the chairs and table that go inside the pool, so you can just sit and relax inside this pool. So I guess I'm gonna have to get my scissors because I'm making all sorts of noise. But it is also Arizona Bike Week, and she is a lot closer to where they're having it than we are. So we're gonna be going there, and I'm so excited because we love going there. They have music, you know, great bands, and of course shopping. And this is peppermint vegan lotion. Let's see if I can open this. The pepper might have a lid on it. Oh, it doesn't. Oh my God. It smells like the peppermint lifesavers. See how creamy it is? Wow. Thank you so much, Clara, for this box, and for the small business people that put it together. And this is a test tube. I don't know, are they bath salts? It says relax, so I'm assuming this is a bath salt. And ignore my nails, because while I'm on my little mini vacay, we're gonna go get our nails done. Wicks Wax Candles, Spooky Punch, hand poured in Michigan. And the owner I know is Amy, because I have my little speech ready to go when I open her boxes. This smells good. I'm not gonna open it. Everything is so sealed. And we got another wrapped item, so I better get the scissors going. So we're in April, so that is our holiday month for Easter and Passover. So do you have any big plans? Are you going on vacation? I know the airlines have just been a mess. They're having problems. I guess there's bad weather again. I know in Washington they got snow, and in Chicago they got snow, and people were not expecting snow. Ooh, this is cotton candy, bubble bath, and shower gel. And it's wrapped so good. I'm not gonna open it, but I bet you this smells awesome. But this is such a fun box. And we have Manifestation Gold Jewelry. So that was one of the small business. So when I send you that link, make sure you check out all the small businesses. They were great. And there's a card in there. And it looks like it's rose gold. And it's got like a seashell. Isn't that pretty? Looks like there's a little story behind it. Wow, loading up that jewelry box. Dennis will be very happy he doesn't have to buy me jewelry. Of course, I'm not going to tell him. Oh, more Wix Wax candles. Hand poured in Michigan, baby powder. You can smell through the package. This is sealed. So nice. And there's still a ton more. Ooh, more Wix Wax. Oh, more buttered popcorn. Oh, you can just smell this buttered popcorn. And then there's the card. You don't have to play masculine to be a strong woman. Mary Elizabeth Winstead. And I don't know who put that in there. Velour facial oval set included. And this, perfect for removing makeup, applying toner, and more. Oh, look at those pretty colors. This is gonna go on vacay. Running out of room. And then there is matches for the candle. And then there's one more big item in here. So what do you think of my box so far? Oh, the palette. And as I said, all of these items that I opened are from all the small businesses that were in this collab. So you definitely have to check it out. And you definitely have to check out my Clara. She is just so nice. And she does a lot of makeup videos, how to apply it, all the different latest makeup lines that come out. And I watch her all the time to try to put on makeup. As I said, she's around my age and she does such a beautiful job. And I think she's got a son that's getting married in maybe the islands somewhere. And I was trying to get to be like maybe a relative, distant cousin so that I can go with. And this is the palette. And I've seen a lot of people, because it's a, I think it's an indie line, a Gourmand Girls. This is the outside. And the inside, same. And just to let you guys know, this will not be going in any of my giveaways, because I've seen this in quite a few channels. Look at the colors. Now, the reds, I wouldn't use. If I could take the reds out and give them to somebody, I would. But these other colors, I definitely would try. But yeah, the reds are not me. But look at that beautiful palette. And again, I've seen this unboxed on quite a few channels. And she does have her own website. So this was everything in this box from Clara. What did you think? Now, it's not a box you can order, but you can order individual items. So if you go to Clara's channel, I think they have the links for all these women-owned businesses. So now I'm thrilled, and now I am gonna do a giveaway because I won Clara's. And again, I will list all the giveaway rules below, and you know, the biggest one, obviously, you need to be subscribed to both mine and Clara's channel. And I have to get the stuff out, sorry. We are gonna have palettes. Now, I usually put masks in my giveaways, a face mask, some eye masks. So that's pretty standard in my giveaways because not everybody likes makeup. So if you don't like the makeup, at least you have some masks. And I took everything out of the boxes only because I struggle with boxes. So the first one is a palette, and it is by Clara, and of course it has a mirror. It does have the saver. And I tried to find some kind of neutral colors. So this is the palette. And again, I throw in some other goodies, but this is the main item, or one of the main items. Then we have another palette that I took out as well out of the box. And what I did with the box. And again, I try to pick out neutrals. And it's got, you know, some neutrals, some highlighters, everything that you could put in. And this is called the Leopardina, and it's an eyeshadow palette and a highlighter palette. And we also have Jeffree Star. What would a giveaway be without a Jeffree Star? And again, not knowing what your color preferences are, I put in a neutral shade, and this is Christmas Cookie. I have Christmas Cookie and I wear it all the time, so I thought I would share a Christmas cookie. And again, there'll be other goodies in the box, but this is just kind of like the main items. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and congratulate my winner from my last, you know, I want to give away, so can you. And please check out Clara. She is such a sweetheart. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video. Thumbs up. Welcome any new subscribers. And if you've already been subscribed to me, thank you so much. And don't forget the secret word that you need to use to win. And that word is going to be bike. So just don't type it in there. You just need to put that in a sentence. So the word is going to be bike. Thank you and have an awesome day.